Good morning, and welcome to this inevitable train wreck of a video. As you can tell, today's video is going to be a little different for way too many reasons. So let's go ahead and list them off, shall we? For starters, this month's Boxycharm theme is Boxy and Chill, which is super cute, and I'm really into it. So we have our comfy sweater on, and we're just gonna be chill and relax and mellow, and just do a little, everyday makeup. Nothing major, nothing over the top. It is also way too early to be awake on the weekend, and my husband is still asleep, so we're gonna keep things chill, low-key, mellow. Also, in true Nikkikkins fashion, I am jumping onto a bandwagon long after it has rode off into the sunset. I will be trying an ASMR video today. I have never done one of these, so if the sound quality is shit, I do apologize. And lastly, I have been told lately that I am a little loud and annoying, so this video goes out to all my haters. Anyhoodle, as you can see, I was a little impatient this month and already opened up my box. Don't judge me. To start off this relaxing morning, I will be trying one of the Tachi Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. Oh, sorry, this is an ASMR. I have to make weird noises. Story time. For centuries, Japanese women would brew botanicals into an enriched elixir, captured with leftover kimono silk to create a mask. This practice inspired the silky soft, skin-fitting sheet mask that delivers a healthy drink of ultra-hydrating botanical oils and extracts for a dewy glow in just one use. Bet you didn't think this video was going to be educational, but it is. And for the record, I feel extremely creepy doing all of this. Alright, let's see what this is all about. Oh my gosh, why is it so cold? Oh. And even though you can't tell, I am extremely excited to use this product because this is my first Tatcha skin product. Between this and the creepy voice that I'm using, I legit feel like a serial killer right now. My Face ID doesn't recognize me. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to start a timer for 15 minutes. Let all these lovely botanicals sink into my dry ass skin. And let's move on to the other products that are in the Boxycharm. This month I also got a mini bottle of the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is actually the reason why I have my signature drowned rat look going on today. You're supposed to spray this throughout clean, damp hair to help combat dryness, restore shine, detangle, and repair the appearance of dry, damaged hair. So let's go ahead and spray this in. Hello. There we go. Oh, it smells delightful. This is now my second Briogeo product, which I am enjoying. I also have the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, which I actually used this morning as well. Even though Briogeo is pricey, I am enjoying it quite a bit. Copy's gonna have to wait until after this is done. While we're waiting for my Jason Voorhees mask to do its magic, let's go ahead and see what else we got in our Boxycharm this month. I received the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette, which is to not be confused with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette that I already have. But I'm not mad about it because I can never have too many eyeshadow palettes. Oh, so the packaging is similar but different. Very cute. I have a feeling it's going to be very neutral. And it is. Which is perfect because we're going for a very natural everyday look today. These are very pretty, but it looks like every single one of these is a shimmer. And January is a month of firsts for me. I also got my first OFR product. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in Miami Fever. It looks very orange, but we're gonna give it a try. Ooh, yes. That is a burnt ass orange. Oh, it smells like cupcakes. And then the last thing we got in our January Boxycharm is a pencil from Billion Dollar Brows. This is the Universal Brow Pencil. Now, that's a pretty big claim to make. How can this be universal? How can every woman in the world use this pencil? Ooh, my goodness. That is a little light. I'm not sure how that's gonna work out on my eyebrows. We'll definitely give it a try, but I'm really not sure if this is gonna work out well. It does have a nice pulley at the end with a cap. It's apparently time to take our lovely mask off, so let's just... And of course, like almost every mask in the history of skin masks, you're supposed to massage in the excess serum. My skin feels very dewy, but it also feels extremely sticky. So we will be using the Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette, which is basically the tame, older sister version of the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. The Volume 2 has a pop of navy in there, makes it a little more saucy. But like I said, I am very excited that I got a very neutral palette because I'm feeling very neutral and basic today. Of course, we're going to start off by priming the eyelids with the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion. Let's start off with sand right here, and we're just going to put that all over the lid. Oh, basically no color. Awesome. Looks like I haven't put a damn thing on my lid. By the way, I do apologize, but since my enthusiasm has been compressed into this creepy way of talking, I'm probably going to compensate that by cussing more than normal, so I do apologize in advance. Now we're going to dip into Cove right here and see if we can deepen up that crease just a bit. I mean, y'all know that I love Tarte products, especially Tarte eyeshadow palettes, but I think this palette may be a little too neutral because I don't see anything. I mean, there's a little bit of pigment, but if I have to go back into the pan 8 or 9 times just to get my transition shade down, there's a problem. Alright, cool. Now that we've spent about 10 minutes apparently doing nothing, let's go ahead and dip into Reef right here, and hopefully something will happen. My goodness, there is some pigment in this palette after all. Now we are going to deepen up the outer crease with Abyss. I'm sorry, I have never felt so creepy in my entire life. I'm going to put that on the outer edge real quick. Oh, that one came out a little patchy. Wow, this looks like garbage. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and pick an eyelid color. We're just gonna put that directly on the lid. Oh, see, that's pretty. Alright, well, since this is going swimmingly so far, let's go ahead and try this $1 billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Hopefully it won't be too warm. Wow, that's very warm. I mean, it filled in my eyebrow, and the product in there doesn't look too red, but I don't know how this is going to work for the beginning portion of my eyebrow. This is great for filling in the eyebrow, but not so much for detail work up at the front. The pencil is very soft, so even using light pressure, this puts down a lot of product very quickly and very heavily, so you're gonna have to excuse my Charlie Chaplin eyebrows. Alright, let's finish off these beautiful eyes with a little bit of NYX Epic Ink Liner real quick. Okay, and then we're just going to pop on some L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise Mascara. Oh wow, I haven't used this mascara in quite a long time now, and I forgot how freaking awesome it is. I am just going to spot conceal all of this lovely, lovely hormonal acne. Just a few little dabs of my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. And now that we have concealed, it can no longer feel. Let's finish off with the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Miami Fever. And I cannot get over, like, this straight up smells like the vanilla frosting you buy at Walmart and shamelessly eat out of the canister. The formula is very creamy, and the application's pretty easy, but I don't know how I feel about this color. You know, if this wasn't such a boring makeup look, and if my eyebrows weren't so awful, if I had had a full face of foundation and a bomb-ass eye look going, I think I would like this. Alright, and here is my, boxy chill look. Okay, I think that is everything. If you made it to the end of this video, bless your heart, because I think this is probably the most boring video I've done to date. I love y'all. Please subscribe for more exciting videos beyond this one, because this is not my best work. But it was chill, it was relaxing, and I appreciate y'all for sticking it out. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Hey, bye, Zoe!